Good morning. My name is Alejandro Meneses Sanchez. Today present Unit 2 Step 3. Identify technology value for leading knowledge of evaluation method be technology manager and in charge of the process. Step 3. Identify technology value. Technology value is subject and development and where the concept itself is evolving. Reaching valuation is understood as the determination not only of the value of answers but also of its impact on the organization that occurs or generates it. I impressed is a math concept or math synoptic, the causes, the consequences, the stem, the causes, the lack of suitable agents in the technological answer means that the technology process in companions are not generated. 2. Poor segmentation and market analysis makes company in certain products and innovation fail in their process. To keep in mind, technological valuation is just subject on development in whether the concept itself is evaluating racial valuation as understood, and the determination not only of the value of an asset but also of the net impact the organization, the care and generated consequences. Before the society or customer be companies that the airlines innovation which generated maestros lack of credibility and lack quality. In this mismanagement, the flow of money is lost, investor lost, and even large company due to lack of knowledge, technology, and innovation. Recommendation of how to lay knowledge of evaluation method be technology manager in charge of the process. 1. Ultimately is able have a good knowledge of the environment in which they want to introduce a new technology innovation. This knowledge is considered as one of the key factors that constitute the here of company, and therefore must be well dominate the organization. Technological supervillages studies essential information sources are detected to fast technological decision. Relevant information is strategy of technological threat, new invasion potential partners or competitors in technological application, while considering regulatory aspects and market that can condition the success of technological innovation. Thank you so much for your attention.